The National Geographic Educator Certification course is an online course where educators have to get together, we plan together lessons. So the point of the course is to teach teachers how to empower their students to be change makers, problem solvers, and explorers. So I teach kindergarten at SISB, and in kindergarten we have a course called Inquiry and Exploration. So this course is meant to teach children about the world through exploration, which with the National Geographic curriculum, we use it in this course to come up with projects and activities, especially in our project-based learning, to teach the children how to explore and be problem solvers and change makers. So in kindergarten, we talk about 5 of the learner outcomes. We talk about being an inquirer, a thinker, about being a good communicator, caring, and open-minded. So in our classrooms, we try to nurture students to be caring, to express themselves in all 3 languages, to ask questions and explore the world around them, as well as try new things and take risks. I love to be a teacher. I love to see children coming out of their shells and expressing themselves, but I also really love to see them exploring and getting a little bit messy. It's fun to see children just learn through play and get excited about being in school.
More than an educator.